In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best rayban discount codes in 2024. Oh, this is pretty simple and we'll jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you have to search for rayban discount code right here, and then select the first option, which is couponfollow.com. So right here, we have a list of different promo codes that we can use on Ray-Ban. So for example, if I want to use this 20% off sunglasses and free shipping, all I have to do is select get this deal and then proceed to the website. And I'm going to continue to the website. So basically, this is not a promo code because if you use this offer right here, it will be redirected to the website through this offer, and the discount will be automatically applied on your purchase. Also, if we go back to our search right here, we also have this website, which is simplycodes.com, that I also recommend you to use because it has the best deals. So, for example, if you want to get 25% off discount, all you have to do is select use code right here, and you will be redirected to the page where you can get your promo code. So this is the promo code. You can copy this code and use it on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.